Hey everyone, okay, so welcome back to my channel. So today I will be talking about it's a website. It's called BYBIT. It's one of the trading platform, for the exchange rates if you're trading or if you're new. So just telling you like how you can earn some great money towards this. So like they have once I sign up here, I just gone to this website, and I signed up here, and I got this the page. So here are the deals for me. You can even earn money from it. You can, like, there's a 10 USD bonus if you deposit. Okay, you'll get 15 USDT. So if you say check the 1 USDT rate to US dollar, USDT to USD, so it's around like one. Okay, like yeah, 15. So it's the US dollar, the same rate, but if you're from another country, you can earn good amount. So currently I signed up, and I earned $20, and I can claim this, and yes, I had, so even I can use it as well. So I'll be checking, like, even I can buy the crypto over here. I can check the market and do the trading stuff over here, and yeah, this is so great. So you have a web3 as well here. Exchanges and the data trading guide. You can view the trading guide as well if you're a new person, and you can have the tools over here, the trades, and you can check it out. Yeah, everything that is the trading here. And once I go back, okay, I'll show you guys what So for one thing, you have to be careful, like this coupon has been credited into our account, so we have to use it by like mm, within a week, you can say. I mean, you have to verify your account in order to be eligible. Here you can see some like the task as well, and much more. So so if you keep on doing this. Wow, there's a one thing as well, like you can spin as well. You can get a lot of money and rewards. The one thing is that you can get money from this spin as well. There's a lucky chance as well on rewards when you complete these tasks. So definitely you can earn money from it as well. If you deposit, if you trade $100, so, and here are the facts. I go with bonuses. You can get the question answers if you have any, or you can invite your friend and earn up to 125 USDT each. So it's a big amount. If you keep on working on this, uh, definitely you're gonna earn a lot of money from it. Have a great day, and do subscribe my channel.